How to add money in Phantom Wallet through Binance. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to deposit money from your Binance to your Phantom Wallet. Now open up now your Phantom app. So now go to this receipt. From this option now select the network you want to send. So use Solana most of the time. Tap on this copy button to copy the Solana address. After you copy Solana address, now close Phantom, go to Binance. After you open Binance like this, now go to this asset section. From this section now, make sure you have enough Sol on your Binance account. So I have already, like, if you have already Solana on your Binance account, you want to transfer it, just tap on this withdraw button. From this section, tap on this withdraw. In this option now, tap on this section and search for Sol like this. So here is the Sol. Tap on this Sol button. Tap on this send via crypto. From this option now, type in the address of your Solana that you copy. Here is the address and here is the network. So in this option now, go ahead now and type in the amount of Solana you want to add to your Binance, to your Phantom wallet. Minimum amount you can withdraw is 0.1 Sol. So let's say I want to withdraw 0.5 Sol. From there, you can be able now to see the charges, that's the network fee, and tap on this withdraw button. From there, it will send Solana to your Phantom wallet. That's it, guys, on how to add money in Phantom wallet through Binance. Please like and subscribe.